Yeet. Oops. Sorry, Nom.
What's up everyone, Porkable here, and as you can see from the title of this video, we're going to be going over this $700 PC build today that is in US currency. Now before we get into it, I would like to mention that some of the parts used in this build are actually recycled from when I upgraded my PC in the past. However, I still priced the build as if we bought every part brand new, and I will be linking in the description all of the parts used for this build if you're interested in checking it out. Alright, so let's go over the parts that we've got here and mention what was recycled from old builds and what wasn't. So the ARGB controller is going to be a recycled part, and of course I am going to link new parts that are similar prices that you can find. The RAM we did buy brand new, 32 gigabytes, and then the CPU is going to be recycled from an old build. That is a Ryzen 5 3600. The M.2 SSD, we did get brand new, we found a good price on that. The B450A Pro Max motherboard here is going to be recycled. You can't even really find these for purchase anymore, so I found something similar, better even for a similar price. Then this graphics card is not a 4070 Super, it is going to be a 6600 XT. We actually found that on eBay and got a great price for it for about $150. Graphics card prices are a little crazy right now. This EVGA 600 watt power supply, that is another recycled part. The case itself, that is going to be of course brand new as you can tell. And then we got a CPU cooler brand new, those are pretty cheap, same with the 3-pack of fans we got right here. Alright, so after adding everything up with my handy dandy calculator, I got a total of $712. Now of course depending on your shipping and tax, I would say roughly you're probably be looking about 800 bucks said and done. So let's go ahead and throw all these parts together and see how it turns out. Alright, so here we go, we got the build all complete here, and let me know what you think down below. What do you think about the price point on this build, and also what do you think about my cable management? You know, I'm not a professional, but I did try to take my time on this one, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe so you can stick around for more, and I hope I'll catch you on the next one.